I'll be waiting there with my chips, my nose, my eyes, just so I'm no kid. If you tell the world, oh boy, see I'm just in you, my soul, I should let you. If I let you go, you can take.
Hey, it's Kiwi back with another video. So did you miss me? Cause I missed you. But for real though, let's get started. As you can see, I've already popped them eyebrows. Today I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals foundation in the color Chai. I'll be blending in the foundation with this pretty clean beauty blender. So upsetting. So yeah, I'm gonna blend away, and I'm blending until everything is even, all the color is corrected on my face and everything looks put together. Now as a technique, I'm going to add some tape to the corner of my eyes for a wing effect eyeshadow look. Now to conceal my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel, just so that I can make my eyelids look all one color and flat. Nice, get the creases out of my eyelids. I also used a bit of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand, just because I'm running out of my Nars concealer. But, you know, a lighter shade concealer will do. Doesn't matter what brand that you decide to choose. I'm going to continue to blend the concealer. And ladies, blending is key to a beat face. Let's say it together. Blending is key to a beat face. So, the star of the hour, besides me. Okay, I'm going to be going into my bhcosmetics Weekend Festival palette. And I've done plenty of looks using this palette. But today, I'm going to start off with this orange shade called Hippie. And I'm going to put this in, well, I'm going to create a crease. And I start off by just gently packing in the color on my eyelid instead of brushing the color into my eyelid. This palette is so amazing because I've had it for like a year, and it's so many styles I can create with these pigmented shimmery shades, matte shades. I love this palette so much, and this orange just spoke to me. It's just a beautiful how it transforms on my eye. Now I'm going to take this small crease brush, and I'm just going to blend the color out and build the color out a little bit more, like, you know, bring it out more, and then just keep blending at the same time. I started out this new technique where I apply my foundation before I do my eyeshadows, and I know it's kind of scary because, you know, some eyeshadows have fallout, but I can take care of that because even though I have the foundation on my face, after I finish with my eyeshadows, I can apply the concealer to my under eye, and any fallout that I have under my eye will just directly be concealed once I add the concealer. So this is my new technique, and maybe you guys can try it as well. I love how smooth this shadow is in the bhcosmetics Weekend Festival palette, is because it just glides onto your eyes and you don't have to put too much.
2 times for the birthday, bitch. 3 times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch.
Yes, who's a part of the Virgo Nation? My birthday is in 3 more days and I cannot wait. If you want to guess how old I'll be, put it in the comments below. So I'm going back into the palette, as you can see, and I picked up some Dippy shade. It's called Dippy, and it's like a hot pink, and I'm just gonna add it to the pink because to the orange, because I want it to be more on the coral side, like a coral type of color. So that's basically what I did. I picked up the Dippy shade in the palette. I'm going back and forth with both hippie and dippy shades just to build up the definition and the color in the eyeshadow. I'm going to blend in both colors so that it can look just like one color, and I'll get that coral that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go in with the I'm not sure which concealer I use. I think I used the what is the name of this concealer? Oh, right. So I think I went in with the Shape Tape concealer by Tarte in the color Tan Sand to cut my crease, because I'm going to be adding another shade to the crease. I'm going to be adding a crease shade, yeah. I'm using a crease brush it's really a thin crease brush, just to help me create the crease and to make sure that all of the edges are sharp and clean, you know. So I got this from e.l.f. and I love it. It does wonders for under my eyebrow and for my creases. I'm blending the concealer with the pink shade because I don't want any harsh lines. So I'm just going back and forth, and that's basically what I'm doing right here. Now I am going back into the palette and I'm grabbing this Solstice color, which is a shimmer shade, and it's one of the shimmer shades out of maybe like 9 or 10 shades in here, but I'm grabbing it, picking it up and placing it on top of the concealer. Just it's beautiful. I love it. And that's a wrap with the eyeshadow look. I'm going to remove the tape from my eyes so that I can reveal the crease eyeshadow look. And I'm just gonna move on to my face and continue on getting beat. So I've just decided to continue on with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm gonna conceal my under eyes, you know, just to get rid of those crease lines and, you know, those under eye bags. I put some on my nose so that I can make my nose look smaller and highlight my forehead and my chin and my cupid's bow. And same old routine, you know, you guys know already. I don't have to tell you guys. You guys know how to get beat. And we will just go and blend and blend and blend. I don't have to say it. And blend. I'm not even gonna lie. See, with the Shape Tape concealer by Tarte, it's a little bit goes a long way, basically. So I like just OD'd, but you know, I can fix it. You know, it's nothing. It ain't nothing. So I'm going in with this AirSpun loose powder, setting powder, and like, it's something new that I've been trying lately and I like it. It's a little on the bright side, but you know, we can make it work. You know, we just want to make sure that that under eye is very flat and you can't really see any creases. So, you know, this will do the job. Okay, moving on to the contour, I'm going in with a black radiance, medium to dark, and I'm going to snatch them cheeks and under my chin because, you know, I got a round face and I want to make it look more structured. Even though I have high cheekbones, I kind of want to bring them out, so I'm going to be going in with the black radiance, which is a drugstore approved, ladies. So while I'm letting my under eye bake, I'm just going to finish contouring, blending that contour powder into my face just to give it more definition. And then after I finish baking, I will wipe away the powder so that I can bring, you know, my face back in, because right now I look like Casper the Ghost. I want to go into the black radiance medium to dark powder palette, and I'm going to take the sculpting powder, which is a lighter brown, and I'm just going to sculpt under my chin and around my face and just keep bringing in the color into my face. Boom, pow. Maybe it's Maybelline. No, just joking. But I'm gonna go in and prep my falsies with this Great Lash by Maybelline. It's the blackest mascara ever, and I love it. So I'm gonna be going in with that. I barely have eyelashes, like they've been gone a long time ago, so that's why I'm going to substitute my lashes with these beautiful falsies by Ardell, which are the wispy lashes, and I have a whole pack of them, and I'm going to be using them right now.
It's the only way we know how to rock. Remember, boy, you was the one that put me in your first kiss. Remember, said put your lips like this. Before screaming, before screaming your name, girl, I was there, and you were my baby. Sorry, when we were younger, you were my boo, my boo.
These are the Ardell Wispy Lashes, which have 5 pair in the box, and these were a steal. I got them for only $8. I'm going to be lining my lower lash line with this NYX eyeliner in the color Seashell. And for the beginners, this area is type hard sometimes. Like, it takes time to learn and you just have to practice, that's all. And I'm just repeating this step on the other side as I should. I'm going back into the palette and I'm picking up the ultimate shade, which is a blue shimmer shade, and I'm adding it to my lower lash line, and the NYX eyeliner helps this blue color pop more, so that's what I'm doing right here. Also, what I've started to do is actually bring the color from my lower lash line up into the wing, and it kind of looks like a liner, like a winged liner, but I kind of like it. It's a little creative and I'm sharing it with you guys, so if you try this, just make sure you know you put me on. You say I helped you create that look, you feel me? So I can't forget to add some highlighter to my cheekbones, and I'm going into another affordable palette, which is the bhcosmetics Duo Light highlighter palette, and this palette has 9 shades. Once again, 9 shades. So you can go pick this up at your local Ulta or Sephora or any beauty store that you know, but it's a great palette and I recommend it. I'm using the NYX Dewy setting spray, and the reason why I'm using dewy is because after I use all the powders, my face looks really matte, so I just want to make it look more dewy and flawless. here I'm using the Tarte's lip paint in the color So Fetch, and I'm gonna tie everything together with this lipstick, which is one of my favorite lipsticks. It is so cute and it is so fetch.
That is so fetch. Gretchen, stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
This is a matte liquid lipstick and it's 24-hour wear, so it lasts all day long, and I just love it so much. Okay guys, so I've enjoyed doing this tutorial with you guys, and here is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks. See you later.